So, we're already more than 40 days into the quarantine, and I'm going a little crazier than I already am. And I finally decided to do it. I am going to cut my own hair. I know these types of things should be left in the hands of professionals, but it's been really hot lately, and I don't know, I think the isolation is making me a little more irritable, especially considering how long this one already is. I don't really want to take off too much length from it, but I really just want to get rid of these ends that need to be trimmed already because they're really itchy when they hit my skin through my t-shirt. So yeah. Okay, so now I've shampooed and conditioned my hair. Ideally, you cut it when it's a little damp so that it's easier to handle. I also have here actually 3 pairs of scissors just in case. So I wasn't able to get actual cutting scissors, but I do have a pair of thinning scissors here for trimming the ends later. A bunch of elastics, a wide tooth comb, some water because this thing is really making me nervous, some newspapers which I will put on the floor later in case I make a mess, and vacuum cleaner. Let's start. Whew. I'm gonna use the unicorn ponytail method, which basically involves you making a reverse ponytail that has to end where your hairline ends. I've seen some videos that failed using the unicorn hair method because they either put their ponytail here or even here. The hair at the back of your head has to be here on top, and you're supposed to straighten it out like that so that it's parallel to your head. It's really making me nervous. Okay, I'm so scared. This is the first time that I'm doing this. Whew. It's a lot of hair. The next step they said is to trim the ends a little bit, and if I do a good job. The moment of truth. So my hair is drying up a little bit. Right, so as you can see, my hair is still very long, almost waist length. I just want to get rid of that length because when I put my hair up in a ponytail, it hurts. And I want to save my hairline from all that weight. Okay. You can already see the difference actually. This other part here looks super unhealthy. From the back, I think it looks okay. There's a little stray strand. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but whatever. It looks a lot healthier now. I'm still not satisfied with the length that I took out, so I'm just going to trim it some more. That feels so much better. Alright. That doesn't look bad at all. Okay, I think that's done, so I'll just check how it looks from the back. Not bad. So this is all the hair that I cut off. It may not look like much, but I actually cut off a lot, as you can see here. My personal verdict is actually that's not so bad for a DIY haircut. I expected it to go worse, but I'm actually pretty satisfied. I didn't want to remove that much length for my hair, but I wanted it to be more manageable. I wanted to save on shampoo. I didn't want to have my hair falling off and scattering all over the floor. I used two methods here. So the first one that I found on YouTube was the ponytail method, which basically lets you add layers to your hair without the complications. And I used another one where basically they parted the hair layer by layer so that it would be easier to cut. So I'm actually happy with how the layers turned out. Like, I know they're not perfect, but that's the best we can do right now. Will I do this again? Maybe not. I'd rather go to a salon and, get my hair done properly without the anxiety. So that's it. Thank you for joining me in my quarantine misadventure. I'll see you next time. Bye.